So this is another project which I made using the Arduino microcontroller. It has one servo which controls the angle of the servo, and another one for mapping the servo. I assigned a function for this and this. So this is for mapping and this is to execute the mapping. As you can see this loose wire over here. It's actually the GND wire. So when you try to connect the GND, the LCD backlight is a bit too bright. It's too bright for the camera, so there's a bit disturbance. You would have noticed I covered the two red lights also. That's because it was also creating disturbance in the camera, and that's why I had to film in the dark. As you can see, that's the only one light which I'm using now. It has 63 lines of code, and for the tune for the servo I use the tone function, and this whole thing is in the if statement for digital read 8 high. So this button is connected to digital pin 8. So if it reads 5 volts or 3.3 volts, it's gonna execute the code, and it uses two libraries. The first one is servo and another one is PCD8544 for the Nokia LCD display. By the way, this display is the most easiest and simplest display I have ever used, because it just has some 8 pins and you just need to install this one library, initialize the LCD display and enter the pixels height and width. Then it can easily be displayed. So yeah, I forgot to mention there's also a meter over here for the angle. Wait, I think it's a bit too dark. Yeah. It's blurry. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but it's below 90 now. Just ignore that 4 cause I didn't use the LCD.clear function. So if I click on reset now, the 4 is gonna disappear because it's getting resetted, and you can only see 2 zeros over there. And now it's on 3. And now it's on 0. So now the servo is in 0 degrees. So if I click the button, it's gonna, yeah. So that's all. Thank you.